So this is Javiii from JT Empire, and in this video we're going to talk about funded accounts. Funded accounts has been a topic of discussion for a few months now, especially for new traders coming in wanting to know whether or not they should get funded. Alright, so let's discuss that. For new traders, I'd like to share 3 tips with you. I haven't done that in a while. First thing, if you just started trading a few months now, I'd advise you to get some more information and get some more practice in before you move on to the funded account. Traders that are brand new generally make a lot of mistakes, and I know time is not the ultimate factor as it relates to whether or not you're successful or will be successful or not, but time speaks to your maturity as a trader, right? And I would like for you guys to spend some more time understanding the market. There's a lot you need to go through first. There's a lot you need to experience first before you get a large sum of money, a large sum of capital to manage. And also, trying to get that large sum of capital, it might be a lot more difficult due to you being inexperienced. Secondly, if you have not been able to successfully grow / compound your regular life account, I would advise you not to go and get funded, right? Most people have the notion that, oh, if I just have a larger sum of capital, then I'll be able to make money. No, that is false. If you cannot make money with your 20 or 50 US dollar account, you will not make money with a $10,000 account. The third thing, focus on building mental toughness. Trading itself requires a lot of mental stability and focus and toughness, right? And many people cannot manage the pressure of that by itself, much less to try and go pay for a challenge for them to get a funded account. Now, to add to that, you are going to pay for a challenge where people will be assessing you before they give you a funded account. There's additional pressure that is placed on you when being assessed. Just like regular exams at school, the anxiety that comes with it, most people cannot manage this. Overall, look into yourself. Spend some time understanding what you are doing with the right guidance before going on to funded accounts. Otherwise, you'll be losing money. Seeking a larger account and not knowing what you're doing is no different from a small account. It's just a larger sum of money to blow. Peace.